What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Teresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series. Today, I want to talk to you about how to absorb losses like an entrepreneur. A great way to absorb losses like an entrepreneur is to offer obsolete products as freebies. Now, despite precautions, you will still experience some failures. For example, you might have ended up ordering a batch of items that didn't get sold. So what do? You can use the unsold merchandise to fuel your promotional activities. Why not offer the unsold items for free? Customers love freebies. Also, you can offer the unsold item as a buy one, take one item. So for example, you're a seller of cameras. However, there's a batch of tripods you ordered that are not selling. You can offer the tripods as a buy one, take one item for your cameras. Next, you can also offer obsolete products at a discount. Now, my private clients will attest I am not a huge fan of discounting your products or services. However, another way to dispose of your obsolete products or products that don't sell is to offer them at a discount. If the product is really terrible and not selling, you can sell it at a big discount. Say 50% or even 70% off. It doesn't really matter if you will no longer be able to profit from those items. What's important at this point is that you get back a portion, if not all, of the investment you made on those failed products. So when you see shops offering big discounts up to 80% off, for example, it's likely because they're trying to dispose of their obsolete merchandise. This method has been used by businesses for a very long time. It's an oldie, but it's still a goodie. Another idea is to include obsolete products as package deals. Let's look at the example of the camera again and the memory cards that won't get sold. One solution is to offer the two products in a bundle. So say you're including a memory card in the package of the camera. Of course, you would need to calculate the price. So for example, if the price of the camera is $100 and the cost of the memory card is $20, you need to price the bundle at $120. This way, customers that want to buy your camera will have no choice but to also pay for the memory card. But this is risky. You have to make sure that your customers want the main product badly enough so as to be willing to pay for the bundled secondary item as well. However, good entrepreneurs can make the bundle less noticeable. Now, this next idea is not shared by many business coaches and consultants, and that is to include contingency for losses when pricing your items. An entrepreneur always, or should always, assume that a portion of his or her products will not get sold due to a number of factors, such as factory defects, damages from nature, maybe it's an unseasonable item, etc. So when pricing your item, you should include a contingency for losses. So if you originally planned to sell your product at $120, for example, maybe you should sell it at $121 or $122 instead. The additional $1 or $2 is for the possible losses. Now, of course, this step is not necessary for the products that prove to be sold out all the time. But applying this concept is especially useful when introducing a new product. This is because you still can't say for sure if the new product will sell or not. This is how you absorb your losses like an entrepreneur. On the next episode, we will discuss how to reduce production and operations costs like an entrepreneur. Until next time, remember, you are fiscally fabulous and you are worth it.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.